You've got a file explorer or web browser or a program that's stuck and it's minimized itself and you don't know how to get it back. Or you just want it to be the same size every time on the same screen. How do you get this going? Let me show you. Suppose we open up our web browser and this is what it looks like. It just looks like this size, and you accidentally change the size of it like this. And one day you've finished your work and you've gone to close it. And now when you open it back up, it is still this size. Well, guess what? Windows uses a memory where it remembers the exact size that you had last time. But suppose it was so small, or there was some sort of bug where it's just like hidden in the corner somewhere and you just can't see it. If that's the case, what you want to press is Alt and space. When you press that, no matter where it is, I guarantee you, it will come up with this little box. And when you see that little box after pressing Alt and space together, select Maximize. And when that happens, whatever application you're trying to maximize will come back. Immediately close it so that you can have the correct size again, or drag it to the correct size that you want. Press the close button, open it back up again, and it will be at the same size. This is also true if you're using a web browser, for example, like Google Chrome. Pressing Alt and space will do the same thing. Select Maximize, and it will go to the size that you need. If you drag it, it will go back to the same size that you had it before. So if the same size was something weird, it will disappear again. If that's the case, don't worry. Select Alt and space, select Maximize, and then close the tab. And then open it again, and it'll be at the size that you want. Was there something else in this that you needed help with? If that's the case, leave it down below and I'll try my best to fix it for you. Oh, so cold, so cold.
Wow, you've made it to the end screen. Not a lot of people make it here. Click on the subscribe button, or the like button, or the bell button, or any of these videos. They're all buttons for you to press. It's really fun, trust me. Press them, press them, press them, press all of them.